we had a customer, I was putting together a $20,000 range hood. And so we did the research, we looked at it, we ordered it, and when it came in, it was not the type of quality that this range hood and this customer deserved. It was then that I realized there was an opportunity here.
You can look at a range hood and think of it as a simple thing, as a steel box with a blower and lights, but it's not that simple actually. What brought Proline to the point it is today was not cutting a single corner. From day one, being designed right here in Salt Lake City, to sourcing the highest quality materials from the most reputable manufacturers, they do everything to ensure that their warranty is going to be irrelevant. You're never going to need it.
It's nice to be able to go home at night and know that we're pushing great products and we're impacting people's lives for good.